guys. Welcome to the vlog. My name is, I'm Fritz's evil twin, Sitzfriedel. So Sitzfriedel's gonna be taking over the vlog today. Fritzfriedel's been killed by me. Oh, you know, I killed Fritz in the middle of the night with a knife to the back. But Sitzfriedel will live on. Will live on. I will rename the channel Sitzfriedel. Ah. Happy Halloween. Don't believe everything you see. Yeah, I stabbed him. I stabbed him in the middle of the night when he least expected it. I stabbed him in the middle of the night so he could die forever. But Sitzfriedel's now taking over the vlog. And let me tell you, you don't want Sitzfriedel taking over the vlog. Let me make sure Sitzfriedel has his room key. Good, I have my room key. Let me just walk past these wonderful women. I know what you're thinking. Sitz. Why is Fritzfriedel dead? Well, I wanted him to die, so I could take over. I wanted to take over the channel for a long time, but I didn't know how. So
going down.
Fritz just gave me his address. Yeah, Sitzfriedel always wins. Well, nah, I'm kidding. It's me, Fritzfriedel. I don't know what that was. Yes, it's my favorite morning person. Yes, roaming these halls. Have you seen any Paranormal Activity lately?
No.
I think I heard Magnolia Hall is haunted.
I don't think so.
It's
Not yet, at least.
Ooh. I was hoping you had some red Sharpie so I can like draw some fake blood on my lips. You don't, do you? I usually film on Thursdays. So
What's today?
today's Thursday. Today's the 31st. I'm filming right now.
Oh.
Today's the 31st. Today's Halloween. I have this wonderful person at the front desk. Laura Lee watching my vlogs right now. You can barely see her.
Vlog live.
You can barely see her, but she's there. She had the morning shift, 4 a.m. I get to see her almost every single day I'd come downstairs.
Always here.
She's always there. But she's not dressed up yet. She has a staff meeting. Oh, dang. Oh, shoot.
Wait, where do you work?
I used to work at a Getty's View, then at Kroger. I hated that. I hated that job.
You hate Kroger?
I hated Kroger.
I love Kroger.
Well, okay. Worst part about Halloween is the rain. Seriously, the worst part about Halloween is the rain. I hate the rain. And now I am heading over to have a frightful breakfast. Because breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Seriously, and I know what you're wondering. Fritz, why aren't you dressed up? And I am dressed up. Because I have a speech today and my professor requires that we dress up today. So, this is sort of my Halloween costume. I'm dressed up as a professor. All I need is a pencil and a lot of patience. Which I have a lot of. And anyway, this Halloween is gonna be spooktacular. I'm gonna be on the radio today. So today I have a speech. Obviously, that's why I'm like dressed up to the core. I have my radio shift today. Oh, it's gonna be fun. You might hear a couple surprises on the radio. I don't know. You have to listen and see. Enjoy. Ooh, the winds are blowing. The weather is cool. There's a lot of costumes out here at UT. You know what this means. It's Halloween, baby. And that's right. I'm about to head to the radio. But first I gotta have lunch. Just have lunch. Because I cannot speak on an empty stomach. Anyway, I did have a speech today. Went really well. I don't know what I got on it yet, but still, I don't know what I got on it. I know I'm getting an A in the professional appearance department. It's just, look at this. Look at this. But, yeah. Spooky things are happening today. Lots of spooky things. Stay tuned. It was raining earlier this morning. And now it's sunny and windy. Great. What a perfect Halloween day for this. Man, it was raining earlier this morning. It was, oh wow. Oh my God, the torch is out. Usually the torchbearer is lit. It is, it's maybe, weird. Maybe because of Halloween, maybe the torchbearer is not lit today. Ominous atmosphere. Maybe it's because of the atmosphere. I don't know. It's weird. The torchbearer is always lit. I wonder if they turned it on for Halloween. I think that's what they did. Wow, it's really windy outside. Ah, jeez. Oh my God. Ha! I think I'm going in like right now. Mother Nature just erupted. Whoa! You done? All right. I'm doing my umbrella. Just give me like a second. I got like my umbrella on me. Oh my God. Yo, my God. Hold on. What's this? Oh my God. I'll get back to you later. Come on. Oh my. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. My umbrella just broke. I can't. Hold on. Hey, at least I'm wet. Am I right? Oh my God. These are nice clothes too, so I don't care if things get wet. I don't care. Oh God. Hey, lesson number 5. Oh my God. Oh my God. Don't go outside. Don't go outside. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh, come on. I'm drenched. No. My umbrella broke, guys. Oh my God. My umbrella just broke. Like broke. Oh God. Oh God. This is the worst Halloween ever. I'm drenched. I tried to put my umbrella up, but it broke, apparently. It doesn't. So now I'm perfectly drenched. My phone is now drenched. My shirt's drenched. Everything is drenched. My hair is wet, but that's good. I like my hair wet anyway. I'm glad I wore an undershirt. Oh my God. Oh, no. I should call for an Uber. calling for? Oh God. Okay, okay. Okay, I need to like go to the. Whew. I made it. I'm wet. Oh my gosh, this guy has like a plunger. All right. I'm back. And finally my umbrella is functioning. Or not. So, I just got on the radio. It's fun. It's really fun. Now, I have a class in the communications building, which is literally just like right across the street. Oh, and it's chilly too. I love this cold air. Oh, yes. I love this cold air. And like I said, I just got out of the radio station too, so yeah. Another successful week. Another successful week as usual. I love it. I love it. I think I'm gonna do a job now on the radio. So I'm outside of Voltod and look at this. Look at this thing. The cold air. It's a beautiful night. The rain, thank God, stopped. Gosh, this vlog is gonna be really interesting because, man, earlier today the rain was coming hard. The rain was coming hard. My umbrella broke, I think, and yeah, it's a beautiful night. Oh man, feel that breeze. Woo, woo. Man, it is a nice night. Nice air. I love it when it's cold. I love this air. I love this weather. I love fall, winter. I also love some parts of summer. Actually, wow. I actually love fall and winter the best. And right now, on this beautiful night, I'm actually heading back to my dorm because, yeah, that's where I am going. It's beautiful. Ooh, I feel that breeze. Ooh, my gosh. Feel that breeze. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Now I'm heading back to my dorm. Oh my God. Whew. It's gonna be cold tomorrow. It's gonna be cold the rest of the week. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. I like the cold weather. I do. Oh, yes. Love it. Oh, torchbearer. Oh, mighty torchbearer. Oh, my God. Look at this. Look at this thing. Oh, man. Man, it's such a nice night. Look at this. Look at this. You know, I'm watching. I mean, isn't this a beautiful night or what? Oof. We painting the rock. Ooh, we spray painting.
You want a donut?
No, thank you. I don't. I wish. I wish. We spray painting. We spray painting in progress. It's a beautiful night to live. It's a beautiful Halloween night to live. Now, to end. Oh, that feels good out here, man. Woo, woo. Ha. Ah, man. Love to be out here all night. Loving the cold weather. But I wish I had gloves on, but it's okay. I have vlogged on my left hand while having my right hand in my pocket because my right hand's cold. It's cold out here right now. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful night on campus. I hope you enjoy the rest of this vlog. Yeah. Hope you enjoy that vlog. Hope you enjoy that Halloween vlog. Yeah, and I brought a lot of candy. I had a lot of candy. I did a speech today. I did the radio today. I did TVC today. So today's another good day as usual. And as always, I will see you lovely people in the next vlog. See ya.